In question 3, we need to solve quadratic equation. Okay, so hope you remember, it might be picked up. So basically the approaches how to solve quadratic equations you might pick up from GCSE level, right? It's all previous knowledge and assumed knowledge for A level. So if you are not sure how to solve that, just make sure you watch the previous videos related to GCSE. Here is the hint, all right? And we start doing. We need to give the answer in the form a plus square root of b. So where a, b are integers. So adhere to z or up from z means that they're integers. So a and b integers, and we basically need to give the answer in this surd form basically, okay, because it contains surd here, okay, that's what is called surd. Square root of a number that cannot be evaluated up to the whole number, right? So it's irrational number or surd. Okay, so the way we gonna do that, how to solve quadratic equation, I'm gonna use quadratic formula. So make sure you remember what it is, what stands for the term quadratic formula, and I'm going to use that. So according to the quadratic formula, the solution might be written in the form minus b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac and everything over 2a. Okay, what stays for a, b, and c? So this is the general form x squared plus bx and plus c equals 0. So this is the standard form of the quadratic equations. So we just need to compare term by term, finding out coefficients. So coefficient a is 1, coefficient b is 4, and coefficient c is negative 3. So we're just gonna plug into this formula in order to find x values. All right, so let's do this. So minus b is minus 4 plus minus square root of, and we have 16, which is 4 squared, minus 4 times negative 3 is going to be plus 12, and times a, which is 1, so just plus 12, okay? So over 2a, which is just over 2. Okay, so what we're going to do right now, we're just going to take the square root of 16 plus 12 is going to be 28. So let's remember how to work with surds. So square root of 28 is square root of 4 times 7. So that means we can say that it's 2 square root of 7, okay? So 2 square root of 7, and we can write minus 4 plus minus 2 square root of 7 and everything over 2. All right, so we just do division by parts. It means we divide minus 4 by 2, which has the result of minus 2, and 2 square root of 7 over 2, 2 will be cancelled, so it's going to be just square root of 7, so plus minus square root of 7. So we have two solutions, means x1 is going to be minus 2, let's take plus square root of 7, and x2, that's going to be minus 2 and minus square root of 7. So if we compare what we have originally, the form that we need to provide, a and b should be integers. So let's check. So a in the first case is minus 2, while b is the coefficient before square root of 7, before the square root. So it's going to be just 1, right? It's not 0, pay attention to it. So in the second expression, second solution, a is the same, but b in this case is going to be minus 1. All right, so that's the solution, and that's the answer to question 3. So make sure you got the same. And let's move to the next one.